Meaning of engross.
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 Engross. The word engross means to fully capture and hold one's attention or interest. It can also refer to the act of legally recording or transcribing a document, such as a deed or contract. When something is engrossing, it has the ability to absorb or consume one's complete focus and concentration, leaving no room for distraction or interruption. This intense level of engagement can result in a state of deep immersion or absorption, where time seems to stand still and the individual is completely absorbed in the task or experience at hand.